If you've ever thought about making money online, but felt totally lost about where to start, this is for you. Because let's be real, most people who try affiliate marketing quit within weeks. They get buried under complicated software, endless tutorials, and traffic strategies that take months to work, if they ever work at all. But what if, instead of all that, you could have a fully working marketing system? Up and running in the next 10 minutes, a system that sends real people straight to your offers. And a system that's already proven to make complete beginners their first commissions. In just a few hours? That's exactly what the Affiliate Whisperer does. Now, here's why this is different from the usual make money online stuff. You're not being handed a bunch of training videos and told, good luck. The moment you set it up, which takes around 10 minutes, you're connected to a marketing ecosystem that's already built, already tested, and already generating results for people just like you. No ad accounts to set up. No traffic sources to figure out. No endless tweaking. You plug in your personal link, and the system drives traffic for you. It's like skipping the hardest, most frustrating part of affiliate marketing, and jumping straight to the part where you get sales notifications. And the results? They speak for themselves. Doug from Winnipeg made over $50 within 5 hours of switching it on. Stephanie in Delaware made 5 sales in her first 90 minutes. Jerome from Cork, Ireland, who had been trying and failing for ages, finally saw his first commissions come through. Imagine what that would feel like. You've been stuck, doubting if this online income thing even works. And then, hours later, you've got proof it does. That's not just money in your account. That's belief. And belief is what keeps you moving forward. And it's not just about quick wins. This system plugs you into proven offers from a marketer with over $180,000 pending in commissions. That means you're not guessing what might sell. You're promoting things that already sell, with the same strategies behind them that have brought in 6 figures. Here's something else I love about it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's a whole month to try it risk-free. Worst case? You get your money back. Best case? You start generating sales the same day you start. Now, I mentioned earlier I've got something extra for you. If you grab the Affiliate Whisperer through my link, you'll get some exclusive bonuses that make the whole thing even more powerful. We're talking extra resources designed to boost your clicks, leads, and conversions so you can multiply the results you'd get from the system alone. These aren't generic freebies, they are tools and tweaks that fit perfectly with the Affiliate Whisperer so you can hit the ground running even faster. But they're only available if you buy through me. And once this offer closes, they are gone. So here's what I'd suggest. Don't overthink it. If you've been stuck waiting for the perfect time to start, that time is now. Set it up today, let the system run for you. And by this time tomorrow, you could already be looking at your first results. Click the link below to get started, grab your bonuses while they are still available. And then come back here and let me know how fast you got your first sale. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like it. Share it with someone who needs to see it. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.